Would you rather say a slur every time you sneezed or punch the nearest person every time you fart? That's delightful in a way, weird way.
I already do slur every time I sneeze, so I'll
Why?
take that.
I mean,
oh wait, slur.
yeah, no, completely different slur, sir.
I was like, dude, shit. Some of them shits be hurting. Having to give it a shit.
We talking racial slurs.
I'll still take that.
I understood that.
Because also, I'm not a heathen. If I'm in company, I typically go to the bathroom to fart. So what, am I just knocking myself the fuck out?
No, nearest person. So you would have to vacate the bathroom, and then the closest person within proximity is catching a lick.
Yeah. No, I'll just slur. I can turn that into a bit. So
honestly, that's just Tourette's at this point.
Yeah, like.
But I do like the fact that
Tourette's, I think I can get a check for that. Actually,
I don't know if they get checks, and if they do, I hope they never do ever again. That might be the least deserved.
There's levels.
Nah, it's the least deserved check of all time.
There's levels because it's also physical Tourette's. Technically, if you hit somebody every time you fart, that's also Tourette's.
Yeah, but ain't nothing you can do to stop me. If I gotta hit the nearest person, I'm traveling.
That's damn. You probably haven't seen this anime. It was called Darker Than Black. We ain't got time for that.
That's kind of racist, but okay.
What?
I'm joking. It was a joke. God damn. No, I like now that I said it out loud, I'm taking the fart because in the random scenario where I am stranded somewhere, all I got to do is fart once, and I'm gonna find the nearest person always. I look at it like a compulsion.
So it really is like Darker Than Black, and it's pissing me off.
Because I think of it like a compel, like my brain just knows where the nearest person is, so I just start moving. I'm hoofing it to the nearest person. I'll never get lost again. File, smack, immediately.
I didn't think of that.
Yeah, see,
that's utility.
It's pure utility. Something it never said how hard I got to stick them.